When I want to eat sweet cherries all year round, I do this. This way they last a long time, without a freezer and without electricity. I choose only healthy sweet cherries. I will remove damaged and rotten cherries. I'll wash the cherries first. I remove the stems only after washing so that the fruit does not absorb unnecessary water. I clean the sweet cherries, and now I need clean and washed jars. I stack the cherries thickly in the jars. I do not press them so that they remain whole and beautiful. Do not fill the jars to the top. Now I need the juice of 1 lemon. I add lemon juice. This is not just for taste. Lemon increases acidity, and the acidic environment is an important part of preserving fruit. Optionally, you can add a spoonful of sugar to each jar. I will not add sugar. I pour water into the jars to cover the sweet cherries. I'm going to wipe the top of the jar because the lids need to fit snugly. I close the jars with clean lids. I need a pan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot, and I put the jars in the pot. I pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I will pasteurize it for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes of pasteurization, I remove the pan from the stove and I will leave the jars to gradually cool in the water. When the jars cool down, the center part of the lid must sink in. Store the jars in a dark and cool place until use. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.